Hello, everyone. My name is Mo Zulfikar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head directly to www.incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Oil and gas prices can be volatile, but the long-term outlook for energy industry remains excellent, which is great for monthly dividend-paying stocks like PermRock Realty Trust, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol PRT. The North American oil and gas industry raked in record profits in 2022, and that momentum is expected to continue. In 2024, West Texas Intermediate is projected to average around $75 per barrel, rising to $79 per barrel in 2025. Though there are some energy bulls that think that oil could top $100 per barrel in 2025. Natural gas prices are expected to average between $2.60 million British thermal unit, or MMBTU for short, and $2.70 per MMBTU in 2024. That's up 10 cents from 2023. In 2025, the Henry Hub price is projected to increase again to an average of more than $2.90 MMBTU as liquefied natural gas, or LNG for short, exports increase. And this is where PermRock Realty Trust comes in. John?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, PermRock Realty Trust owns a perpetual interest in oil and natural gas producing properties located in the Permian Basin in Texas. It actually receives an 80% net royalty profit interest from the sale of production from certain properties owned by Boaz Energy. That's rather than a specific portion of production. The underlying properties consist of four operating areas in the Permian Basin in Texas. Since 2017, the trust has produced, I think it's over 30 billion barrels of oil and more than 75 trillion cubic feet of natural gas.
And how did this company do in the third quarter of 2023?
Pretty solid, all things considered. The company reported net profit income of $1.69 million. Now that's down from $3.5 million in the same period last year. But the decreased net profit income was primarily due to a decrease in oil and gas revenue, which was a result of lowering gas prices. Distributable income was also down at $1.46 million, or 0.1205 per unit. And that's from $3.35 million, or 0.2757 per unit in the third quarter of 2022. Now, the company hasn't officially announced its fourth quarter results yet, but because it announces a monthly results, we already know that it paid out 0.04 per unit in October and November, and 0.03 per unit in December for a fourth quarter or total payout of 11 cents. The December payout of 0.030 per unit works out to an annual distribution of 0.67 for a yield of 10.71%.
If you can shed some light on how is PRT stock doing?
Well, oil prices are down from their March 2022 high of $130 per barrel, trading at around 73 cents per barrel as of this recording. Now, lower oil prices have been putting pressure on oil and gas stocks, as you can imagine, and PermRock is no exception, with units down more than 30% year over year. On the plus side, crude oil prices are up over the past few weeks as tensions in the Middle East heat up, and after the US and UK forces struck rebel targets in Yemen. Fears these tensions could spread outside of the Middle East and disrupt vulnerable transportation routes has helped PRT stock actually rally approximately 5% so far in 2024.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just to recap, PermRock Realty Trust is a great way for energy bulls to get paid monthly. PermRock Realty has a big presence in the Permian Basin, and thanks to historically strong demand for oil and gas, the Fort Worth, Texas-based company has been able to provide its shareholders with inflation-crushing monthly dividend. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.